Dear students, today we shall learn about the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. For that, first of all, we should learn about the quadratic formula, that is x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by twice a. Here, the term b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation. The discriminant b square minus 4ac will determine that what types of roots by the equation will have. For that, there are three conditions. These are: number 1, that is, if b square minus 4 is strictly greater than 0, then the equation will have two distinct unequal real roots. In this case, the equation may have the roots as 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, etc. Let us take an example for this, that is x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Here we have got the roots of the equation as 2 and 3, which are real and unequal. Therefore, we checked out this b square minus 4ac here found as 1, which is strictly greater than 0. That is why the roots of the equation are real and unequal. Okay, students, come to the next condition, that is, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the equation will have two equal and real roots. In this case, the roots of the equation may be 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4, etc. For this, let us take an example, that is x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here the roots of the equation we have got 2 and 2. The roots are real and equal. Here also we have checked out that b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. As the discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, therefore the roots of the equation are equal and real. Okay, students, now you come to the third condition, that is, if b square minus 4 is strictly less than 0, then the equation will not have any real roots. In this case, the equation may have some imaginary roots. For that, we have to check that discriminant, as if we take this discriminant b square minus 4ac as minus 4, which is strictly less than 0, then we have to find out the square root of this minus 4, that is minus 4 can be written in this way, that is 4 into minus 1, and this minus 1 can be written as I square, because I square is equal to it is minus 1, which students you will get at the 11th class. Then the square root of 4i square is equal to plus minus 2i, which is an imaginary number. So that students, in this case, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then you can get some imaginary numbers as the roots of the equation. Okay, students, now I am giving one homework to you, that is, what is the condition to get the real roots from a quadratic equation. In the next class, we shall discuss how to solve a quadratic equation by the quadratic formula. Okay, students, thank you.